What's up, guys? Welcome back to Piggy Garage. Today I'm going to be talking about a new interior detail product that I picked up probably about a week ago due to all the good reviews online from Pan the Organizer and Matt from Obsessed Garage. I am a big fan of the brand already, P&S. P&S makes a nice product called Bead Maker, as well as a really nice wheel cleaner. I did a review of the P&S Bead Maker already on my channel. I put a card where you guys can go ahead and view that. Amazing product. That's a sealant product. And then they also make a wheel cleaner, which is like top of line. It's a lot of detailers' favorite go-to wheel cleaner. It's also a rust inhibitor. I will do a YouTube video on that momentarily or shortly. Probably do it on my R as the rims are a little bit dirty. But today I'm here to talk about this product, which is P&S Xpress Interior Cleaner. This product is safe on vinyl, plastic, and leather seats. It was originally formulated to be used on just leather. Products that are used for leather have to be very safe. So what they what they found out was it's also safe on pretty much all materials, plastics, trim in your car, and synthetic leather along with vinyl. You can also use it to clean the infotainment system. I will be doing a little demonstration on how you can use this product in your car momentarily, but I'll also make a video on how I detail my interior, a full interior in-depth video. Probably in the coming days, as we're all on quarantine. COVID-19 is getting a lot of people sick, so where I am, we're ordered to stay at home unless you're essential. But what you pretty much need to apply this product is I like to use an interior detail brush. I bought this off Amazon for about $5. I'll put it in the link below. All the products that I use today will be in the links. A microfiber towel for easy wipe off of residue. I went ahead and bought a gallon jug of this. Sorry, I kind of spilt it before this video. That's what the little liquid is for. But if you buy a gallon of this, you can dilute it 1-to-1. So 1 gallon of P&S Bead Maker actually gives you 2 gallons, so 1 gallon of water to 1 gallon of the actual, sorry, not Bead Maker, Express Interior Cleaner. As you can see here, it cleans leather, cleans vinyl and plastic. It has a really good fragrance, that's true, and leaves no residue, which is really big. Other detailers that I've used in the past are Chemical Guys Interior Detailer with the Chemical Guys Conditioner. Great product. That's actually been my go-to for the last couple years. But I'm actually going to switch over here to the Express Interior Cleaner. It works phenomenally, as you guys will see, and I couple that with the a quartz leather ceramic coating. Probably after I do this, I will do a video on the quartz ceramic coating for the interior seats. Once I clean them, I'll probably do a video on that so you guys can see how easy it is to do a ceramic coating on the interior of a car. It's pretty cool that these products are out for the public. But what I went ahead and did was I bought the extra, it's like $3.99. So this gallon jug of the Express Interior Cleaner I bought for $16, or you can buy it for $16. I went ahead and paid the extra $3.99, so about $21, and got this big sprayer, nice nozzle, so I can go ahead and easily dilute it 1-to-1. I'll go ahead and do a clip of how I diluted this. Here's my actual RODI water setup. Sorry, it's a little chunky back here, but this is my filtration system. I actually have a saltwater fish tank, but this is what I do to fill up any of my containers. So here's my TDS monitor, so it tells you how impure your water is. I can actually show you guys a test real quick to show the difference between regular well water and RODI water. So I just will fill this up about halfway. It's just a little test. I'll turn the water on. It's coming out. So here is the regular water. I'm on well here, so you can see. 97 parts per million. So what that means is, here's the different, you know, things of, you know, metals or, you know, different things that are in your water. Average tap water is anywhere between 200 to 300 parts per million. We have a filtration system on the house, so we're about, what's it say here? I think it went up to 97. Okay, it's showing about 85 parts per million. So that's like with carbon, you know, anywhere from hard water to carbon filter water. But, you know, this is kind of like an overkill. Oh, let me show you the Express Interior. I can just show you. You gotta wick this off. This is my water for my fish tank. Here, let me turn it off, reset it. This is my fish tank water. Pretty much it needs to be pure water, and I'll show you. So there you go, 0 parts per million. So this takes out all, you know, the bad stuff, all the metals, all the impurities in water. That's this RODI system. With RODI system, or reverse osmosis system. Whenever I need to use like water for anything, water has a lot of impurities, minerals, metals, and it actually can scratch a lot of things. A lot of people don't know that, but water can scratch paint. As you guys can hear from Brian in my detail video that I just did about ceramic coating, how to wash a car that's been ceramic coated, he went into a little bit of detail of how you can do that. So whenever I use or have to use water, I like to use pure water, which my reverse osmosis filter does. I have a saltwater fish tank at home, and so I like to use that when I can. So I diluted this 1:1, so about filled it up halfway with RODI water, which is 0 parts per million, 0 ppm of any impurities, and then I went ahead and just poured from the gallon jug, filled it up to, you know, about here, because when you put the nozzle in, it does tend to overflow sometimes. Really cheap product, so you really don't have to dilute it if you don't want to, but I mean, for half price, so you're about getting 2 gallons for about, you know, $10 a gallon, 20 bucks, you know. Actually it's even cheaper than that. It's about $8 or $9 a gallon when you just buy the gallon jug. But I wanted a sprayer, cool, you know, logo, whatever. I do have to say this product smells absolutely amazing. Really, you know, big thing with me with detailing is, you know, the cost per use and the smell. I really like something that smells pleasant. This checks that box, and it's very cheap, inexpensive, great product, high quality product, as you guys have probably seen from other channels, people reviewing this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I use the Xpress Interior Cleaner in my Ford Fusion on the leather seats. You can use it on, like I said, plastic trims, the dash, and vinyl. I might even try to use it on Alcantara. We'll see how it does, or I have to read up more on that because my GT350R has Alcantara steering wheel and seats. So just need to make sure with cleaning Alcantara, it's a little bit more of a fragile fabric. But I'm going to go ahead and email these guys and see what they say about that, because the process is kind of similar. But I will make another video on that. Like I said, all you need is a microfiber towel. It's a cheap towel that I have to wipe off any residue. A nice bore brush. These are like $6 on Amazon. Do a little circular motion on the seats. I'm gonna go ahead and do my driver's side seat for you guys, so give me 1 second. All right guys, so here I am in the driver's seat of my Ford Fusion, and pretty much what I like to do is I like to, you know, spray the seat. 1 second. Brand new bottle, sorry about that. Come on now. There we go. So that's a little bit too rough. Spray the seat, spray the top of the brush, and go ahead and do a nice circle motion. As you guys can see, it suds up nicely, nice sudsy foamy setup here. Let me try to go left-handed. Really get in those crevices. What you should do before you do this is make sure your car interior is nice and vacuumed, because you don't want any dust or debris from taking your car to go into the seats, but you can see it foams up nicely. Any extra residue, I'll go ahead and go back over. Sorry, I'm not left-handed. But there's no real method to the madness. I like to do a circular motion. You can go up and down. The circular motion tends to give you a little bit more sudsy, but once you've scrubbed it, you can go ahead and wipe it off, wipe it down, and it's really that easy. Not too much about it. I have to go ahead and do this other side, but what I like about it is it's a really pleasant smell, really clean smell. It's not a cheap smell, so it's something really nice to the nose, pleasant to the nose that you can use. It doesn't leave any streaking, which I also like. This is not a coating or a protectant to your seats. It is pretty much just a cleaner. So what I will end up doing after I clean these seats is I will go ahead and use a ceramic coating, or you can use a leather conditioner. The one that I like to use is Chemical Guys leather conditioning. Today I'm going to ceramic coat these after I'm done. I'm going to also make a video on that, so that video will come out after this one on how to ceramic coat the seats. But it's actually really simple to use. I'll go ahead and do the other side. Spray it down, spray the brush a little bit, get the little headrest, and then like I said, the circular motions. Really nice and sudsy. My other interior cleaners for sure don't do this. And the smell, I mean, the stuff smells fantastic. Go ahead and add a little bit more to the center here. If you guys have watched my other videos, you know I'm not stingy on using the products when they're so, you know, inexpensive. I don't want to say cheap because it's not a... Normally when I reference something that's cheap, it's normally poor quality, but this quality is far non-amazing. Go ahead, a nice circle motion. You can go back to back, but make sure you get the creases. I can't preference enough that make sure that your seats are vacuumed, as you do not want to put dust or debris, you know, scratch your seats with that. Really nice finish, really pleasant smell. Great product. I can surely recommend it to you guys. As for how cheap it is, like I said, you get pretty much 2 gallons of the stuff for the price of, you know, $8 a gallon. If you just buy the gallon jug here, this gallon jug. Like I said, I bought mine with the sprayer, which is the $3.99 sprayer. Not too bad, not too much, but for 21 bucks, you get an amazing package. Pleasant smell. I can't say enough good things about that. This product, I'll do one more. I'll do the center console for you guys. Get a nice brush, nice circular motion. Oh, this isn't on me. Sorry about that. So I sprayed it down, sprayed one on the brush. Nice circular motion, as you guys can see. It has a nice satin finish, so it's not going to make your interior super glossy looking. Nice scrub, scrub, scrub. And then you can go ahead and wipe it off. Like I said, it's safe on vinyl and plastic, so I can go ahead and wipe down my center console. Nice cleaner. Also do the dash and whatnot. Here's an easy application for, you know, side. You don't have to use the board brush. You can just go ahead and spray it. I just sprayed some on my microfiber towel, but you can just wipe it right on and off. Very easy to apply, easy to use. Like I said, it's safe on pretty much all surfaces. It really cleans everything up well. Sorry guys, the camera fell. But pretty much, as you can see, this is a great interior detailer if you guys are looking for, you know, something to take your interior to the next level. Cheap, not cheap. The price is cheap. The product is not cheap. It's a great quality product. I will put all the links to everything that I use, the brush, the microfiber towels. And yeah, please let me know what you guys think. If you guys have used this product already, go ahead and leave a comment on your thoughts of this product. It's a heads up or a thumbs up for me. Great product. Like I said, pretty much comes out to be $8 a gallon, $9 a gallon if you just buy the gallon jug, because you can dilute it 1-to-1. Really great product. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, as my next video will be probably how to put a ceramic coating on leather seats. I'll probably go ahead and do that now on my driver's seat after I'm done detailing it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos, guys. Thanks for checking out the channel. Yeah, see ya.